que hay, ay, 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 ay. Quien no anda corre la que hay, ay, 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 ay.
Ayan, good morning po mga Toktok. Ngayon pupunta po tayo doon sa opening ng 3S TVS
This
Ligaspi.
guy, hard discipline, pot simmering, cooking up, no rocks in the pan, watching the plan form in the sand, bidding castles out of thoughts in our head, late nights, no sleep in my bed, trying to see my.
Ano sir, okay na rin.
Kakatapos lang po ng ribbon cutting, minutes more at magsisimula na po yung motorcade channel. Don't forget to like, comments, and then subscribe. Para sa mga Tuk-Tuk enthusiast, marami dito sa Legazpi, so we are not endorsing specific brand, so we are promoting Tuk-Tuk. So nandito na lahat sa Legazpi, yung Piaggio, Bajaj, and then TVS King, and then may mga electric na rin. Hanggang kaya kong i-vlog at inaalaw tayo mag-vlog, so papasukin natin at i-endorse natin or ipapakilala natin. So without benefit na nanggagaling sa kanila. Thank you mga kapatid. Sana panoorin nyo.
I am number 2 sa India in terms of sa production ng motor. Meron din po siyang joint venture kay BMW. In terms of quality, so makikita na natin, masasabi natin na pang world class.
Basta, anong first name niyo po, sir?
First name, Christopher.
Christopher. Kilala niyo po si Sir Joper?
Yes, sir, Sir Jopper. Sir Jopper, kumusta? So, si Sir Jopper is counterpart ko, technical support officer in Bicol area.
Okay, sir. Sabi niya, regards ko daw siya.
Ganun ba? So, yun, Sir Jopper, sir, kita pa rin tayo dito. So, sa Legazpi, Albay tayo ngayon, Bicol area.
Alam niyo sir, nandito kayo. Sabi ko sir, nandito ako. May kilala pa ako. Kasi nagpicture ako sa likod ng table niyo, sir. Sabi, regards ko daw. Hindi kayo sir, nagtataka kung bakit kami nagkakilala, Sir Joker.
Kababayan niyo, sir?
Hindi po. Hindi, TVS King owner ako. So ngayon, nagka-problem ako sa TVS King owner ko. Dahil sa fuel pump.
Na-mention niya sa akin before yun sa Legazpi. Yung parang nahirapan kayo maghanap. Tapos siya nag-refer ko saan may available, parang meron yata sa kanila.
Sabi ko, medyo mabagal yung Legazpi kaya. Sabi ko, sir, direct ako na sa akin. So,
pero ngayon, medyo magiging mabilis na tayo ngayon kasi may 3S kahit paano makikita yung spare parts. So yun yung unit po, sir, yung ISD.
okay. Hindi, sir, yung kulay green, sir. Yung opo. Kakagaling ko lang ng vegan sir gamit yung TVS King. Salamat.
So many people think they know me, but they only know my music. And there's so much opportunity, so hard to make the most of it. When you feel so depressed and your bed whispers just to stay in it, I think I've had enough of it. I know that I'm not gonna win. Surrendering my everything, I'm giving up, I'm giving in. Nobody understands what I'm going through. Can't explain when you don't come from it. I give up, no matter what I do, not here, no. I try so hard to stop, I give in to every single bad temptation. And I just wanna feel like a good person, a good person. When I wake